In this video, I'm going to be showing how I 3D printed a router jig to mortise in these historic style pulleys. So at first I thought I could use a 1-inch Forstner bit, but it just didn't work because it walks and it's the same size. Those are 1-inch circles. Okay guys, this is a bushing set. And how this bushing set works is you take the OD of a bushing and you minus it by the bit diameter, and then you divide that number by 2, and then you get your offset. So now knowing this, we can go to the computer and start designing our jig. And basically I started with the size that I wanted to end at, and I added just 0.0125, just enough clearance